morning, NetSet aspirants. Again, Narayana. So, how are you all? எப்படி இருக்கீங்க எல்லாம்? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? இது வரைக்கும் நல்லா தான் சார் இருந்தோம். நாளையிலேருந்து எக்ஸாமு. என்ன பண்ணுறதுன்னு தெரியல. Be cool, be happy. You have done your duty. God is there. ஸோ நம்ம கடமையை பண்ணிட்டுருக்கோம். ஸோ அகெயின் அந்த ஜூன் 2019 கொஷின் பேப்பரில் ஐ ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்டாப்டு வித் 25 கொஸ்டின்ஸ். அந்த கொஷின் பேப்பர் கொஞ்சம் பிளர்டாக தெரியுதுன்னு சொன்னாங்க, பட் ஸ்டில் ஏபிள் டு மேனேஜ். ரைட். ஸோ 26th கொஷின். What will be the ratio of the simple interest earned by certain amount at the same rate of interest for 9 years and that of 12 years? ஸோ ரொம்பலாம் யோசிக்காதீங்க. ஸோ ரேஷியோனா ரெண்டு நம்பர் இல்லையா? ஸோ நியூமரேட்டர் டினாமினேட்டர் 9 12, that's all. 9/12 is 3/4. Simple. Close. Okay. In a classroom, content produced for a specific user. And the specific user na, it is related to certain person. Certain person means personalization. That's all. Stop with that. So 28th question. 6 friends A, B, C, D, E, F sitting close to the circle facing the center. E is to the left of D, C is between E and B, F is between E and A, O is to the right of C. So diagram circle போட்டுட்டிங்கன்னா நம்ம ஃபேஸிங் சென்டர்னு சொன்னால் we start with the down point. ஸோ டவுன் பாயிண்டில் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா D. அவங்க என்ன சொல்கிறாங்களோ just follow this. Sitting in the close facing to the E is to the left of D. So D ஓட left of D. So D ஓட leftல E. So facing center na just like dining table. Dining table facing center means what is to your right is right, what is to your left is left. Like that you put the diagram for all the and arrange the place for all the people. So automatically who is to the right of C, you check for the who is to the right of C, automatically it will come as A. In fact the diagram goes in this angle. F, A, C, B, D, E. So in the circular form it is like this. Okay. So 29th question. Choose the missing term out of the following. Just see J, K, L, M. First word. L, M means N. So N is option. Second is option. Sequential order of elements in the classroom communication. So always classroom communication, knowledge will not come as a first. In any teaching, any communication, knowledge will not come first. So knowledge will not come means it is not first option. Just check with the last thing. Interest will not come at the last. Awareness will not come at the last. So awareness, interest will not come at last means automatically the option is 2. That's all. So some class interval and marks are given. This is very easy. In fact, how many students in section A and section B together have obtained less than 10? Just check with the less than 10. It is 2 plus 4 6. That's all. Answer. So what is the next question? If the pass mark is 30, what is the number of failures in both the sections together? Pass mark is 30 means pass mark 30, that means below 30 is failure. So up to 29, what is the option? So 5 to 10 17, this side it is 18. So 35 is the answer. So 35 will be the answer. So next question. How many students in section A have obtained 30 or more marks but less than 50? 30 more and less than 50, that means the two class interval 30 to 39, 40 to 49. In section A is asking. Section A means it comes around 4 plus 8, it is 12. It is very easy. Okay. If the pass mark is 50, approximately what percentage? He is using the term approximately. What percentage of the successful students in section B? So what is given? So pass mark is 40. So more than 40. So more than 40 means you check with the B, 7556, that is 23. So 23 percentage means total is 45 students. So 23 45 is not exactly 50. So it is something more than 50. Automatically it is not 47 48. It is not 50, it is 51. That's all. So what is, how many students in section A and section B have obtained 50 or more than 50 in section A and B? Section A and B, just check with the 50 and more, that is 52 59, 62 69, 72 79, that is 4 plus 7 plus 5, 5 plus 5 plus 6, that comes around 32. That's all. Very easy data interpretation. Of course it will come mostly for most of the section, it will come. Okay, one of the main outcomes of Rio plus 20 conference. So Rio plus conference means it is development goals always. So it is not millennium, it is sustainable. The time frame for implementation of MDG, time 15 as 2000 to 2015 is MDG, 15 to 30 is SDG. So answer is 2. Oligotropic lakes. Oligotropic, there are 3 types. Oligotropic means less in nutrients. Mesotropic, medium. Heterotropic, high nutrients. So what it is useful? They are useful for all the animal fishes and all. It will be very useful, right? With the increase in temperature, dissolved oxygen content in the water body, it is inverse relationship between the dissolved oxygen and the temperature. Temperature increases, dissolved oxygen decreases. These are all something we should know in chemistry. It is not chemistry, but something we should know about these things in people and environment. Of course, these are all general things we have to study and then we have to improve. So Constitution of India provides the right to establish education institution, means section 31 always. It is old question papers by all minorities. So old question paper. Which one of the following is an educational FM radio? So radio means it is Gayanwani, Darshan, TV. Right. So in internet terminology, what is the acronym of this? Is what you see is what you get. It's very easy. What you see is what you get. So it is 2. Okay, then a group of groups access to digital technology and another group is a lack of access to this. It is called as divide. So dividing of the technology. It is not inequality. It is not web inequality. It is not imbalance. Okay. So answer is digital divide. Right. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following computer components is the fastest in terms of speed of access? Speed of access, it's not USB, it is not hard disk, it is not SSD, it is RAM. Okay, then 45. During which year the present system of affiliation to the university was introduced in India? See, affiliation have been introduced year before. It is during the golden period, 1857 of education. Golden period of education is 1857, where 3 universities are established: Madras, Calcutta, Mumbai University. Right. The duration of which of usable compost generation is 3 to 6 months. So naturally, automatic will not come. So vermi or pit, that is a fight. So vermi is something silkworm, earthworm. Sorry, it is known as earthworm. So pit is usable compost generation 3 to 6 months. It is not 3 to 6 months, it will take time, in fact. Right. Software that is used to download for free but it have paid to continue its use after a trial period is called as. It is not public domain software. It is not OSS. OSS is given with the distribution rights. So freeware is not. We should not have any monetary cost. So it is automatically shareware. Which one of the following reports address the academic, technical, and administrative problems in examination system? So academic, technical, and administrative problem. It is not Hartong. It is not Sargent. So there is a fight between University Education Commission and Standard of Education System. So if you read the higher education, the history and all the reports, there are some 18 to 20 major reports in education system, starting from the earlier ages. So if you have time to if you have no time now, but if you have any time to go through all these reports, it will be easy to find out all this problem, because these are all certain significant issues. Examination system report made by the Standard of Education System 1965. Okay. So Suyam refers to, so it is, we know it is not ailing minds, it is not awareness minds. So the option is between 1 and 2. So learning for young aspiring mind is correct. Study world is not the answer. So study webs for active learning. So if you know it is study webs for active learning and for aspiring minds, it is well and good. Even if you don't know, you can just eliminate. It is not ailing, it is not awareness, it is not model, right? So it is not study world, it is study web. Okay. So next thing, while sending the email, to differentiate among the two CC and BCC field. So see, if you in the BCC field, you will see the two address and CC address. Am I right or wrong? So automatically 3 is the option. Reception in the BCC field can see the email address that are in the 2 and CC field. Naturally 50 is the option. So how to approach the question in an easy way? That is what a need of the hour, not a need of the hour. It is a need of the second, because only few more hours to go. Because 12 o'clock today, of course, they are going to finish their examination. 12, not 1 o'clock. So they are going to finish their first noon examination, forenoon examination tomorrow. By this time, they must have ready to come out of the examination hall. So don't be hurry, don't be afraid. So take all your things, items, whatever it is today itself. Be cool, don't read the books and all even in the home today or in the examination hall by reading the books at the last minute. Don't do all these things. Have original copy of ID card and photos with you always. Do follow the declaration form and the vaccination certificate if needed. Just take, even they doesn't ask have a examination kit with you, right? Always take that. You can carry the water bottle, I think. So it is a need for all at this pandemic time. So wear mask and all, that and all very very important for the entry to the examination hall. They will get your signature, write your mother's name and all. So do all these things. Be ready with all your papers by today itself, even for the examination that comes from 25, 26, 27. Be ready up to 30th November. So be cool, be be happy, and approach the question in a proactive way. Don't react to the question. Of course, certain questions they may ask to confuse you. So that and all will happen in the examination. So for all the entrance examination, this and all will happen. So by emotions and psychological aspect, they may divert your attention by giving certain questions which will have more calculations in that. So don't go off with those questions. Just leave the questions or tick according to a choice, because there is no negative marking. So be alert. There are 5 or 6 questions like that to divert your mind. So be cautious on all these things. Of course, you will not get the answer till the last minute of the time. So you won't get the answers for these questions. Don't spend time unnecessarily on those questions. If you know, you answer. If you don't know, you answer. That is the only logic in this. Have a peaceful mind. Don't be serious like my face and all in the examination. Be cool. Have a happy face, smiling face always. I am a teacher, but I am saying, but I'm not having that kind of face in my thing. But be cool. That's all. So be happy. You know all. So question papers will come up to your mark only. You will clear the examination for sure. So you have done your duty. It is in the hands of the God. God will take care. No problem. All the best to you all. So just follow my videos. I had just uploaded to 9 to 10 videos how I approached my questions in a very cool manner. That's all. If you doesn't know the answer, leave it. That's all. That is not a problem. So I want only 35 to 37 questions correct in paper 1. That's all, not more than that. So all the best to you all. So see you again with the commerce, the remaining questions. Thank you all.